If you want to learn how to make your very own DIY conditioner that's not only great for your hair but also good for the environment and actually not that greasy, keep watching. Hi, my name is Leslie, and on this channel I mostly make videos about curly hair and DIY skin plus hair care. If those topics interest you, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. I have experimented a lot with DIY conditioners, but I haven't been very lucky. A lot of the times I have made many conditioners that are very greasy and tend to weigh down my hair. So after watching so many videos and researching, I came across emulsifying wax. At first I was kind of skeptical about this ingredient. I was like, is it a silicone? Is it unnatural? And all of these questions were just running in my head. But emulsifying wax, or BTMS 25, is just a waxy substance that is naturally derived, and what it does is that it combines or emulsifies liquids and oils together to make a creamy concoction. So that's essentially what it is. If you guys want a video of me explaining more in detail what this emulsifying wax is, please comment down below and I will make that for you guys. I decided to try it out myself and try to make it and see if this emulsifying wax actually made a conditioner like product. So I'm super excited to be sharing this recipe with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. You will need ½ cup of water, 1/4 cup of vegetable glycerin. Mix them up. We're gonna heat them up, but do not boil. 1/4 cup of BTMS 25, 3 tablespoons of mango butter, and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. We're gonna melt them, but do not boil. We're gonna mix them up a bit, but this is not the last step. So after we have mixed them a bit, we're going to put the batter into a blender. We're just going to blend for about 2 to 3 minutes. We need to let it cool for about 30 minutes. Once it has cooled, we could add vitamin E oil, add essential oils. I'm using about 5 drops of lavender oil and 5 drops of rosemary oil. Again, you could use what you prefer, the oils you prefer. So now I'm just gonna mix and mix and mix. I mixed about 10 minutes, and I do prefer to use a metal spoon. So we're getting closer to the final product, and voila, this is what we have. We have a consistency that's not too greasy, and it's pretty similar or very close to store-bought conditioner's consistency. So then we can just put it in a jar, a glass jar preferably, and I store this amount for about 2 weeks. And that is it, guys. Alright, so how good is this conditioner, and is it better than store-bought conditioners? The answer is yes and no. Yes, because it's non-toxic, it's zero waste, it's all natural, and you can personalize it, which I think is pretty cool. A way that they're not better than store-bought conditioner is that the consistency isn't as good as store-bought conditioners. So before you apply it to your hair, you kind of have to rub it between your palms to kind of warm it up a bit, and so it can be easier to apply to your hair. I'm not saying the consistency is bad, and I'm not saying the slip is bad. I'm just saying that it is a little bit harder for your hair to absorb it in a way. I don't recommend you just finger detangle it. I do recommend that you guys use a wide tooth comb to make the process of detangling easier. Alright, so in my last video somebody mentioned that I should use preservatives. Now, this is where it gets tricky. I do not use preservatives because I just make enough to last me 2 weeks. So the preservatives I know about are Leucidal and Rocansol. I probably butchered the pronunciation, but it doesn't matter. I will link them down below. But those are the preservatives that I've heard that are naturally derived and are good and actually broad spectrum. So if you guys want a video of me explaining more about these preservatives, let me know down below. Question of the day. What DIY recipes do you have trouble finding? Let me know down below. Maybe I can help you out with that. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Like I always say, I hope you found this video interesting or helpful in some kind of way, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.